Morning aspirants. Today we are going to see difference between president and governor. So here we are going to differentiate between president and governor topic wise. Like both are the head of the country. Like president is the head of the country and he is the head of the government, that is PM. Okay, and here governor is called as head of a state and CM is called as the head of the government. Now how they take oath, both take the same oath to protect, preserve and defend the Indian constitution. Here also governor also take to defend, preserve and protect the Indian constitution. So now their executive powers. Okay, all executive powers are taken in his name, in the name of the president. In the terms of governor also, all executive actions are taken in his name. After that, how they are appointed. Okay, president is indirectly elected by an electoral college consisting of both the houses of parliament and the legislative assembly, SLAs. Here governor is nominated by the president. He is not indirectly elected representatives of the union in a state. He is nominated by the president. How the removal of both takes place? President is removed by impeachment. Governor can be removed by the president anytime because it is nominated by the president, so president can remove him also. After that, grounds of removing president. Grounds of removing is on violation of constitution, and for governor there is no grounds mentioned in the constitution. Okay, now after advice of the council of ministers, president advice of council of ministers on president is binding by the 42nd amendment, can return the advice once by the 44th amendment. Here governor is binding save for the exceptional circumstances. Various Supreme Court judgments have declared that. Okay, after that, in the terms of money bill, it cannot be sent for reconsideration. President himself recommends the bill. Okay, in governor, it can't send for the reconsideration as president himself recommended the bill. Now, in the terms of constitution amendment bill, president has the right to give his assent by the 24th amendment. Okay, here governor plays no role, absolutely no role regarding constitution amendment bill. Now clemency power. President is liable to pardon death sentences and court-martial sentences. Here, governor is not liable to pardon the death sentences and plays no role in military matters. Here, president has the more power than the governor. So this is all. This is difference between the president and governor powers. Okay, thank you.